everyone, my name is Kelly. Welcome to this piano lesson for kids. This is the third video in this series. If you've missed the first two videos, please check the description below. I'll put a link for you. Today we're going to be talking about finger numbers. Okay guys, I have my dry erase marker here like usual. If you want, you can write the letter names on the keys. I'll go ahead and do that now. C, D, E, F, G. These are the letters and notes we're using for our lessons. This is middle C right here, and we're just going to use our right hand today. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to talk about our fingers today, our finger numbers. So specifically with the right hand. So when we play songs on the piano, we're going to put our hand in a certain playing position. So far what we've done is middle C position. We have our thumb of our right hand on middle C like this, and we use each of our 5 fingers in a row with our pinky being on G. Each of our fingers on our hand are numbered 1 to 5. So this would be, our thumb would be 1, pointer finger is 2, middle finger is 3, ring finger is 4, and pinky is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you remember from the first video, that was the exercise called Seesaw. And in the second video, we played a song that I made up called Gummy Worms that went like this. C, E, G, C, E, G, G, E, C, G, E, C. Or 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 5, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1. So what we're going to do today is we're just going to practice playing different finger patterns in our right hand. So first, let's try the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's try 1, 3. And then 2, 4. 1, 3. 2, 4. You could also think of that as C, E, D, F. All right? 1, 3, 2, 4. And then 3, 5. 3, 5. Or E, G. 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5. 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5. You could also think of that as C, E, D, F, E, G. Nice! Now let's try this. 1, 5. Should be thumb, pinky. 1, 5. And let's just go back and forth on 1, 5 and see what that sounds like. Maybe you can go really fast. Oh! My dinosaur fell over! If this video is helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up. Let's try this. 1, 2. 1, 3. 1, 4. 1, 5. Let's repeat that. 1, 2. 1, 3. 1, 4. 1, 5. Let's repeat that. 1, 2. 1, 3. 1, 4. 1, 5. And one more time. 1, 2. 1, 3. 1, 4. 1, 5. These are just some patterns that I made up for exercises so that we practice using all of our fingers. But you can make up your own patterns as well and see if it sounds good. When you push down with your fingers, what you want to do is you want to have your hands sort of in a curled position, like almost like you're holding a ball in your hand. So you're, instead of having your fingers extended like this, you curve your fingers, you curl your fingers, and you press down with the fingertips. Thanks for following along today, everybody. I hope that this was helpful for your learning. Make sure to check out the next video in this series because there's so much more to learn. Bye-bye, everyone. See ya.